What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been so long since we've been uploading, or I've been uploading videos. We've been busy, but intense games. I don't know where he is right now, so until he comes back I'll be doing videos myself. So guys, I think right now we'll do a pack opening, and I have a surprise to show you guys after I'm done my after the pack opening. Let's get on with it. We're gonna open up 40 packs. Let's see the boxes. First, I'm gonna open up Eternal Stream. Should I open up this one, guys? First, I'm gonna open up Shining Hope. I know what you guys are saying. Why the heck do you need Shining Hope when you have Utopia already? Well, I only have that with the ability because right now I just need to get the separate Utopia without the ability. I'm hoping to find Utopia. This is the normal one. It looks like this game hates me. Come on, give me. Ooh, guys. Did I get? No. What are these trash packs, guys? There's gonna be something good in this last pack. Well, guys, I think we'll never be opening up Shining Hope again because you guys saw what happened. I think now we'll open up some Shark Fang. Yep, some Shark Fang. Hopefully get like Shark Trick. Oh god, number 36 Gold Rat. Real Barnacle. Gargo. Oh, what did we get? Go Garnet Gargoyle. That's not the best card. Oh, this is an old give me XC scar. We got number 32 Shark Tree, guys. This is so amazing. Jumps. We got number 32 Shark Tree. Well, I wanted Yumazi's card, Utopia, because like I want Utopia. We got the main submersible carrier arrow shark. That's great. And I don't know what other box to open up. Maybe Black Wings Rising, because if you guys didn't know, I have uh what is it? I have Krog, and I'll show you guys after the pack opening. Ooh. Oh, this is a synchro. Black Wing Dragon. Let's go, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe, because I'm having a sick pack opening right now. We have got our Black Wing Dragon. The card I was opening this whole box for. Oh, Hydra. One more. Gladiator Beast Gyarados. Ooh la la. Nothing that good, guys. Synchro Monster. Night Bartra, guys. We got our Black Winged Dragon. Look at this, guys. And now guys, I think for my last, I'm gonna be opening up another Shining Hope. I need to get this Utopia to make my deck. Because this Utopia is gonna fit my deck so good. Come on, heart of the cards. Guys, have the heart of the cards ever guided you in life? Not me. Come on. Give me something good. I'm never opening this box ever again. Come on, this has to be Utopia. What the heck? I don't know, guys, when I'll ever be getting Utopia, but it makes my deck even harder to play. And guys, let me show you something. Here we have 5Ds. Guys, see, we have Crow Hogan in the flesh. If you guys wanna know how to get him, just hit that like button and comment down below. Then I'll make a video on how to get Crow Hogan. And guys, I wanna show you my little secret I got with Yuma. I'll just do this random. I'll show you what's so special about this new Yuma I got. You guys will be amazed. Trust me when I say amazed. I need him to attack me so my life points have a total only of so my life points have a total of only 2000 life points. Volcanic slicer. Well guys, it's not what I really wanted to show you, but I wanna show you something. Just don't leave the video. Just one more duel and I wanna show you guys something. And I bet you guys will jump out of your seats. I don't know how I got it. Well, I do know, but just like a statement, and it's available now. When you see this video, if you see this video before, I guess the mid of May, you'll be able to get this guy. And now you'll end your turn. That's great. I'll just end my turn. Guys, here it comes. Watch this. Oh, it's time to high five the sky and feel the flow. And we build the overlay network. The tools become one. I'll morph.
I draw.
You know what to do, Yuma.
Sure do. I summon a monster. I'm not out of life
Time
points
to
yet.
end this.
I end my turn.
I have this
Must
tool in the bag.
not lose.
I end my
We
turn.
won't, because I draw. Watch this. I summon a monster. I'm not out of life
Giving
points
up
yet.
already.
I end my turn.
Guys, and now you'll see why I really needed that Utopia.
We won't. I draw. Here goes. I summon a monster.
Chaos exceeds evolution. The protector who changes chaos is
Ready, Astral?
chaos number 39. Utopia.
Hooray! See guys, this is how you do it.
I'll set a card.
We are in trouble.
And there's one more surprise for you guys.
I have this tool in the bag.
Not lose.
I end
We
my
won't,
turn.
because I can still.
Are truly powerful.
Tornado Bringer's effect!
It equips and raises Utopia's attack points. In addition, your effects cannot target my equipped monster.
I'll play this! I summon a monster! I use one overlay unit to activate Utopia Ray's effect!
Overlay charge!
Battle!
Utopia Ray attack!
My monster attacks! I'm not out of life points yet! I end my turn!
I have this duel in the bag.
Not lose.
I end my
We
turn.
won't! Because I can...
A truly
I activate Shining Zexal Weapon Fenrir Sword's effect from my hand!
I equip this card on Utopia.
I use one overlay unit to activate Utopia Ray's effect!
Overlay charge!
Battle!
Utopia Ray attack! Right, go!
My monster attacks! I'm not out of life points yet!
See guys, this is how the pros do it. I got Zexal Morph.
Not lose.
And now guys,
We
watch.
won't! Because I can still...
A truly powerful. Fly! Zexal weapon! Unicorns!
Let's bet I know what to do! I know what to do!
Direct attack!
This is how we...
Feel the flow! I attack you directly!
Guys, that will be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the pack opening and I showed you the power of Zexal.